called Mazda Mod Mondays. What's happening, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Me and Car Keys. So I got a good workout in. I'm feeling pumped, feel good. It's a quick shoulder workout, but get on it, stay on it. So today's video is about the one and only, the beloved Mazda CX-5. Now to give some quick backstory, this is a 2017 Mazda CX-5 Grand Touring Edition in all black, which is an elegant look. I love the all black. The plan was, per my wife, to go for an all blacked out, murdered out look. The trim pieces on this Mazda CX-5 are normally chrome. Right here on the grill was chrome, up there on the window was chrome as well. So what we did was we went to Dip Your Car to black out the trim pieces. And Dip Your Car is a spray vinyl that you can use. I was going to recommend it to you, but I'm actually not going to recommend it to you. Let me show you what it looks like now. Now, originally this was a chrome. Like I said, we dipped it with Dip Your Car. It was a deep gloss black. Now, 100% honest, it did not match the paint completely, but it was a deeper, darker gloss black than this. Now it has since faded, and it's also starting to chip there, if you see there, and a lot of other places. Now it's normal road debris that's doing some of it, but the fading, I didn't expect it to fade like that, okay? Now, if you look here, this is the original trim piece of the car. That's what it's the color that's supposed to look. This is the trim that we did. It does kind of match, but this was supposed to be gloss black like this, not faded black like that. And if you look down back here, it's starting to peel here as well. So yeah, Dip Your Car is a good tool to use, but as you see, over time, it will deteriorate like everything else. So ultimately what I would love to do with this Mazda is, like I said, I would love to take all these trim pieces off, every trim piece that's around, and paint it a gloss black because it's all faded. This is the option that we had here as well. We could have painted it, could have taken it off, could have painted it, we could have vinyl wrapped it with actual vinyl, probably would last a lot longer. But yeah, like I say, every trim piece on this Mazda is faded. So we have a plan for this today, and it comes with a box. All right, I've had this box in my garage for the last 2 months, all right? I've not opened it, have not looked at it at all, and it's bad because if it doesn't work, I can't take it back. So whatever, we're gonna check it out now. Now, we put this net up here to keep the bugs out. As you see, we work out in here, we hang out in here, and it would be nice to do it without flies coming in. So that's why we put this net up here. We don't like the way it looks, but it works, okay? So we're gonna keep it up there just for the rest of the summer, and then we're gonna take it down. All right, so HOA, don't be driving by my house all slow anymore, okay? We're gonna take it down, all right, cool. Whoa, there we have it. Black trim cover. And I think from what I can tell so far, get you guys here. What I can tell so far, that is a perfect match. Perfect. Look at that. It even has some sparkles in there. Nice. Now my Mazda's dirty. We're gonna wash it later. Don't worry. So that's gonna fit over like so. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. Look at that. That's gonna be nice. So old trim, new trim. Old trim, new trim, old trim, new trim. My wife is really sweet. I love my wife. Obviously, I love my wife. My wife is really sweet. I do anything for my wife. My wife is one of those people that will tell you how she feels, right? And sometimes it's not always in actual words. She might not actually say, oh, I don't like that. Sometimes it's more like a, okay. She's been giving me a, okay, for the last 2 years about this trim piece, okay? So we're gonna fix it, okay? Don't worry. This entire video I've been using an external mic, and for some reason the mic just stopped working. There's no sound. So I'm gonna narrate, okay? So right here, I was laughing and making a really funny joke about how the box says do not open. I opened it anyway. Here's when my beautiful wife comes in to check out the progress, check out her reaction. Yeah, I'm not really sure if she likes it or not. And then this happens. Gosh. Microphone, camera, phone. We're all right, we're good. Oh, y'all all right? You good? You good? Yeah, we're good. It's scratched, but it's all right. That's scratched. Come on. Anyway, all right, little mishap, but we're good. All right, this is, as we were talking about, trim piece. It's gonna go over like that. That's it. That's it. Just cool. Just cool. Wow. Cool. All right, well, I'm gonna go back inside then. You know, I'll see y'all later.
You know, I've got to come out here and show you what to do. It's crazy.
She came outside, right? At least, you know, it is her car.
But you finally doing something too? Mm-hmm.
So my wife, who's 100% smarter than me, suggested using plastic tools. These are my trim removal tools, and they work a lot. They work a lot better than using your hands, and they're plastic, so you're not gonna burn your hands. Hey, y'all, so my wife, like I said, is 100% smarter than I am. I actually prefer it that way. uh, so she came out and also suggested using a heat gun, which I have in the garage. I've had it for a while. Heat gun, and once again, using the trim removal tool. All right, you got the heat gun going, and you literally follow the heat gun like this, and it'll scrape it right off. You get a good example here. Heat this up a little bit. Hit the scraper, and you go right behind the heat gun. Look at that, comes right off. See that? Comes right off. So it still comes off a little spotty, but it comes off a lot easier with the heat gun. You come right behind it with, what I did was a microfiber towel. This was my brain thinking, not hers. You come out behind it with a microfiber towel and some rubbing alcohol, and it looks like that. Good as new, just like it did when you first got the car. There you have it. You got this whole side done. Nice and chrome. Now, if you like chrome, this is good for you. Now, it's a heat gun, so be careful with the heat gun. Remember, some of these pieces are rubber, they are plastic, they will flex, and this could happen. All right, we're gonna start here on this big piece. It's gonna go on like so, like that. Now it has double-sided tape on the back, so we'll peel off the double-sided tape and then stick it on there. Pretty much it. All right, you got one shot at this. Boom. We're gonna hold it for a good 60 seconds. All right. It's on there. That looks good. All right. Keep going. All right, y'all, driver's side is done. All right. That looks 1,000 times better, especially that part, okay? That's the part that was bothering me the most. That looks way better. Had to put some pressure on it for at least 60 seconds on each one to make sure. And as you saw in the time lapse, I was trying to push this one down on the ends here. Sorry, I was trying to put this one down on the ends here. I was trying to make sure it was level with this one and make sure it's covering all the trim at the bottom. There you have it. Actually looks pretty good in chrome. Yeah, forgot how good it looked in chrome. Yeah, so we're not doing chrome. We're gonna stick with our plan and do the black. Now, the sides. So we got all the sides done already. They came with the double-sided tape already on them, which is great, which is perfect. The fronts did not. So the front was a whole different company. I ordered the sides, came from eBay. The one in the front actually came from Amazon. I don't know the actual name of the companies, but I'll put them on the screen for you. So the fronts here didn't come with double-sided tape already on the inside, which would have been nice, but they did include 2 rows of double-sided tape, so one for each side. They also included a adhesion promoter as well. So that's good, but now I gotta go and put double-sided tape in each one. So not a big deal, just another step you gotta do. So how about this? I'll do one side, you do the other side, all right? Deal? Go. y'all. Ready, set, go. Now let's try it again one more time and go. Perfect. There you have it, y'all. Mazda Mod Mondays is done, y'all. That looks amazing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna back it up in the sun a little bit so you can get a clear view of what it looks like. There you have it, y'all. That looks amazing. Woo-hoo. All blacked out look. Now it's perfect because it's nice and gloss black like it was originally supposed to be. Yeah. All right, so what do you guys think? I think it looks amazing. One of the other options that they had online was a carbon fiber. It was the same type of trim piece, but it was just in carbon fiber. But I think this looks better. Like I said, she was going for the all blacked out, murdered out look. So I think this looks way better. What do you guys think? There are a couple other things we need to do on the Mazda to get it looking the way she wants it to look. There are a couple other things we need to black out, like i.e. wheels. We need window tint, and there are a couple other pieces that we need to get to. All right, Mazda people, where y'all at? All right. I haven't seen a big showing of people modding their Mazdas online. Where y'all at? All right, if you look online, you see some Miata groups, you see some Mazda 3 groups. Where are all the people that are modding the CX5s, the CX3s, the CX9s, CX30s, CX50s? This is a perfect canvas to mod, all right? Now, it's perfect the way it is, but there are a lot of little things that you can do to these cars. Where y'all at, all right? Now, if you look overseas, in like Taiwan, Malaysia, there's a huge following of people modding these vehicles, and we need to bring that back over here. All right, we need that over here. I was going to end this video out by washing the CX5, but this part needs to cure, right? So it's just put them on, so they need to cure. Those have been on for a couple of days, so they're good. Thank you for watching another video on the Me and Crocky's channel. If you like this type of content, hit the like button, give me a thumbs up. Also, leave me a comment, tell me what you think. Mazda CX5 people, get in the comment section. All right, till next time. Motivation, that's me, that's you. Please subscribe. I'll see you next time. Didn't fall off yet, so I guess we're good. Yeah.